Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can save your Twitch streams in your Twitch account. So you have a Twitch account that you use to stream in your Twitch, and now you want to save your Twitch streams after you finish broadcasting them, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to save your Twitch broadcast after you end broadcasting it. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to save your Twitch streams is open a browser and go to twitch.tv. Once you go to twitch.tv, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to save your streams from. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Now in order to save your Twitch streams after you end broadcasting them, what you want to do is simply tap on this profile icon, and from the drop down menu go into a creator dashboard. Once you go into a creator dashboard, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is go into your settings. Then from your settings, what you want to do is go into stream settings. Once you go into stream settings, what you want to do is locate the section labeled as VOD settings. So in the VOD settings section, you'll see an option labeled as store fast broadcast. So enable this toggle in order to enable the save after broadcast feature of Twitch, which will automatically save your Twitch streams after you are done broadcasting it. But here in additional settings, what you have is the option to publish the stream straight away after the stream is ended. Or if you don't want to publish the stream, if you just want to save the stream after your broadcast is over, simply turn off this toggle and your stream will not be published automatically. Or if you want to publish it, simply turn this toggle on, your streams will automatically be published. But if you want to exclude few categories, what you want to do is simply add these categories here by searching it here, and your categories that you have selected to be excluded won't be published in your channel automatically. So those were the simple steps in order to save your stream after the broadcast of your stream is over in your Twitch account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.